Right, so let us introduce you to the basics of circular measure. Okay, I'm sure you know that you know how to find the area of a circle and the circumference of a circle. Alright, so maybe this might be new to you, but let's say this is A and this is B and this is P. Alright, and this is Q. Okay, now let me erase this. This is P. Now we say that A, P, B is the minor arc. Okay, and we say that A, Q, B is the major arc. Alright, so what's an arc? Okay, an arc, as you can see, is part of the circumference of the circle. Okay, so APB, which is from here all the way to here, is part of the circumference of the circle, and so is AQB. Only thing, APB is a lot shorter in length than AQB, hence APB is called the minor arc, whereas AQB is called the major arc. Alright, okay, so this is arcs, okay, that we are talking about. So remember, arc is a part of the circumference of the circle. Okay, the second thing you need to know is what is a sector. So sector, okay, if this is O and this is A and this is B, this is O. Alright, and this is Q, and same thing, this is P. Okay, now if we are talking about sector, we are talking about area. Okay, so this is known as the minor sector. So we write AO BP is the minor sector. Alright, what about this? Okay, the part that's not shaded like that. Okay, this is called the major sector. Alright, okay, and area of the sector can be found, area of sector can be found by formula. Alright, half r squared theta, where theta is in radians. Alright, or you could also take area of sector is also equals to theta over 360 times pi r squared, where in this case theta is in degrees. Okay, okay, what about arc? You want to find the arc length, you can take S equals to r theta. S is your arc length. Alright, r is your radius. Okay, r in every formula is radius, and this theta is in radians. Okay, or you can take theta over 360 times 2 pi r. It's a fraction of the circumference, isn't it, arc? So you take theta over 360 times 2 pi r, where theta is in degrees. Alright, okay, let's move on down to the second page. Okay, another thing you have to know would be what's a chord. Okay, so you have a circle here. Okay, if I draw a line like that, okay, this is known as a chord. So what's a chord? A chord is actually a line segment, okay, drawn from one point of the circle to another. Alright. Okay, fourth. Okay, next you need to know what's a segment. After you've drawn a chord like that, okay, and this is AB, this is called a minor segment. Okay, so basically what you've just done once you've drawn a chord, okay, is that you've divided the circle into two different parts. So this is the minor segment, and here, this portion here is the major segment. Alright.